This is a tutorial video for the mobile grab bag template creator. This software will help you create these 4 templates that are right here on the front of this graphic. Now real quick, I'm going to bring in these files here. You may have received a folder. There's 2 ways you can install this software. You can install it on your desktop, or you can simply run it from your desktop. This particular file right here, this is mobile grab, and it's an application file. This is the file here that you're going to want to double click on, and it'll open up the program. Okay. Otherwise, if you open up the file that will install on your desktop, you will have to there will be an executable file, a .exe file that you can install, and it'll make a nice little icon right there on top of your on your desktop. But if you don't want that, that's understandable. Just go ahead and click the mobile grab. The icon is right there, and it says mobile grab. It's an application file. It may be the only one you see. I'm going to try to hide these files so there's no confusion. But if not, you're going to have to click mobile grab. Not any of the other ones will not work. Not this one either. The configuration settings. So hopefully that's not too confusing. Now, once you get your software up and running, it's going to be really simple. You're just going to put in all your business names. So I'm just going to use a fake business name here, and let's just say my name was Mobile Biz. All right, you just follow the instructions here on the software. Just hit the next button. Let's put in our business phone. All right, and there's just a few questions. Your email, so info at mobilebiz.com, if that was my domain. Now, if my URL was that, I would just simply put www.mobilebiz.com. All right, and right here I need to put my autoresponder code. So I have a code from Aweber that I'm going to use. It's a simple JavaScript code. All right, to get my free report. There's my code. Testimonials. So let's just say I have some previous customers. They give me testimonials. Mobile Biz is the best. Mobile website, and then let's just say David C. left that, and then all right, another testimonial here, and we hit next, and then this would be the download link for your free report, because as part of this, you're going to get a download page all ready to go. So if you're down, I recommend using something like Amazon S3. You could even use a Dropbox link if you want to use a Dropbox account, but I put everything in Amazon S3, or it could just be a regular server. You just host the file on your server. Typically it's in a zip file. But so let's just put in, I'm just going to put in a domain name. All right. Once I click the finish button, it's going to ask me where I want to put my folder. So let me just go to the desktop. I'm going to put mobile web. We'll grab bag samples. Let me go ahead and OK. And all my files are now getting populated inside of that folder. Finished. I can save this file. Okay, and what it's going to do, it's going to save. It's going to save this file here, so I can go back and edit it if I wanted to. So let me get this out of the way here. Now, here's my mobile grab bag samples, and here's the file that I saved. So anytime I open up that software, I can just open up this file here, and I'll have all that information already in there. So let me just throw that in that folder. Now let me open this for you. So you can see that I have 4 squeeze pages that were created plus my saved file that I just put in there. So let's take a look at this. You see how I have all my appropriate files in here. I have a download page, a contact us page, confirmation page, and an index page. So let's take a look at what these look like. Try to fit these in my window here. Okay. So because I have limited room here to video, it's going to kind of squash my template, but let's see if I can make it work. Alright, so you can see that in places on my template, like here, Mobile Biz wants your business to be on the cutting edge. Everything should be all filled out. My phone number is there. My customer testimonial is already in there. Looks good. My phone number is here. My email is here. Okay, again, my business name is here. And then on the right side of the template, let me move this. I have just a few images here that are portfolio images. Okay. And then the area for the free report. Alright, so let me go and check the other templates. Okay, and these templates are all set up. The only thing that I'm noticing right now is that my autoresponder code is not showing up. So there has to be, there's got to be something that I need to tweak here before I get this out to you guys. But for the most part, everything else is all set up. We go through to the contact us page. You can see our contact information is there. Let me go down and open up a confirmation page. Now this would be the page that you'd set up in your autoresponder just to let them know that the report's on their way. You've got links here to 4 major email providers, so they can go ahead, because they have to double opt in to get your report. Alright, unless you set it up otherwise, but again, just a friendly reminder. And then we also have a download page. Okay, and this is the link here that's currently linked to Google. But again, I'm just filling them with the information. I want them to really call me and say, hey, I want one of them mobile templates. The report is really good, but it's very long. You can do a lot of things with it. Break it up into different chapters. You know, whatever you want, you can do. It's a PLR report. But you know, the main thing is to get your phone to be ringing and sell these mobile templates. And these images here, you know, these are images that they're just very standard tap to call images. So they're just there to show on the surface of what you can do. You know, there's not a lot to that. I mean, if you wanted to, these are the images included here. Okay, all you have to do is, if you want to, like for example, the size is 375 by 455. Okay, well, actually no, that's a different image. They're resized to 184 by 224. Okay, but all you need to do is replace the appropriate image, the 184 by 224. Replace that image with something that you want to put in there, and it should be drawn up. Just make sure the image name is exactly the same. Make sure this image name is exactly the same, and you should be able to replace any of those images on there. But for the most part, this is pretty simple to set up. If you're using our tap to call pages, our mobile pages, this is already pretty much ready to go. Just start promoting it and get out there and start making some money. So there should be on somewhere on this software and on our download page a link to our mobile tap to call pages, as well as our full-blown Mobile Web Pro mobile websites. Okay, thanks for watching this video.